India is a diverse country with a rich heritage and a religious facet that is intriguing and fascinating. Billions of people worship millions of gods and goddesses. Goddesses are revered and feared by many, but unfortunately, it's not the same for the real-life goddesses, the women of this society. Statistics show that a woman in India is molested every 15 minutes, murdered every 16 minutes, raped every 29 minutes, sexually harassed every 53 minutes. The current law to tackle these crimes under the Indian judiciary system states that outraging the modesty of a woman is punishable, but it has too many loopholes as it still does not use the term sexual harassment or define it. Leering, whistling, groping, flashing, casual touching, catcalls, comments and assault are a daily reality for women in India, and we have very conveniently clubbed all of this under the title of eve-teasing. Surprisingly, the term eve-teasing is not found in most of the dictionaries. It is very loosely used, but the fact of the matter is, it's nothing else but sexual harassment. So what can we do? Create a campaign titled People of Honor, a campaign that will reposition eve-teasing as heinous as sexual harassment in people's mind, and file a petition to the government of India to remove the words outraging the modesty of a woman from the laws and replace it with sexual harassment, thus positioning sexual harassment as a serious crime. So who are the people of honor? They are the people who pledge to protect women, take action, become a part of the movement, advocate and sensitize people. How does the campaign roll out? Use digital billboards. Create a website and a mobile application. Ask individuals to share their story through a media campaign. The media campaign shall be connected to the digital billboards. Each story reveals a pixel, and each pixel disrobes a goddess on the digital billboard. This will create cultural oppositions, which is the required reaction. What will the website offer? The website works as a platform to encourage individuals to share their stories. You can click here and read the stories. You can click here to add your story. This space will make people aware of the hard facts around sexual harassment in India. You can click here and sign the petition. Symbols have a great significance in creating movements, thus create People of Honor wristbands for promoting the cause and recognizing supporters. When you click here, you will see a small video on sexual harassment. At the end, if you wish to share the video, you will be asked to upload your picture, write a message or choose a message, and create a personalized video. After this you can share the video on Facebook. People will receive a video on sexual harassment from you with your face masked on the girl's face in the video and a personal message at the end. A brother receiving a video from his sister with the message, "This has happened to me before. Take a stand, don't let it happen again," will have a strong impact on individuals. People can also download the mobile application. This app has special features like the alarm button. You can switch this on while you are traveling, commuting, and if someone misbehaves, you can press the button which would create an alarming sound and alert other users of the app around you through location-based service. You will also receive alert messages about potential areas of threat when you enter those areas again based on your location. What will this campaign achieve? Raise awareness. Educate people. Recruit people of honor. These people will make a real-world impact. It will showcase the impact through the petition, and most importantly translate thought into action. The ideas of this campaign were shared with some women, and these were some of the responses.